Want to glow up this summer without wasting money or time? This is not a just drink water video. This is your real step-by-step summer glow up guide. No fluff, just practical tips that actually work from head to toe. Let's start with step 1. Step 1. Cleanse and exfoliate your face. You cannot glow if your face is clogged and dull. Start with a gentle cleanser, morning and night. If you wear sunscreen or makeup, double cleanse at night using an oil-based cleanser first. Then, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. You can use a scrub or make one at home. 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds, a few drops of lemon juice. This clears dead skin, unclogs pores, and gives you that fresh, smooth base. Step 2. Tone and hydrate toner helps rebalance your skin and prep it for moisture. Don't have toner? No problem. DIY options that actually work. Aloe vera plus water equals calming and hydrating. Green tea equals anti-inflammatory and great for acne. Just spray it on your face or apply with a cotton pad. Let it absorb fully before the next step. Step 3. Moisturize day and night. While your skin is still damp from toner, apply your moisturizer. At night, go heavier. You can use coconut oil, deep hydration, olive oil, locks in moisture, or your regular night cream. These seal in everything you've applied and give your skin that juicy, glowy finish. Step 4. Apply face masks 1 to 2 times a week. Now let's level it up. Want clear, bright, glassy skin? Use a rice mask. Cook a small amount of white rice. Blend it with water until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. It brightens, fades dark spots, and makes your skin baby soft. Want glow? Use the honey plus coffee mask we mentioned earlier. Want a deep detox? Mix clay powder plus apple cider vinegar once a week. Step 5. Depuff and refresh eyes. If you're dealing with puffy eyes or dark circles, soak cotton pads in cold green tea, chill them, and apply for 10 minutes, or use frozen cucumber slices. Even just rubbing an ice cube gently under your eyes works. This reduces puffiness fast and wakes up your whole face. Step 6. Glow up your lips. Now that your skin's glowing, let's move to the little features that matter. Exfoliate your lips twice a week. Mix sugar plus honey scrub, gently with your finger or a soft toothbrush. Rinse and apply Vaseline or lip balm. This makes your lips look naturally pink, smooth, and healthy. Step 7. Brows and lashes, the natural frame. Your eyebrows and lashes change your whole face. For brows, brush them upward with a clean spoolie. Use Vaseline to shape them naturally. Clean up with a brow razor if needed. For lashes, apply castor oil using a clean mascara wand every night. It strengthens and thickens your lashes over time. No makeup needed, just small habits that make a big difference. Step 8. Exfoliate and moisturize your body. Now let's move from face to body. Exfoliate twice a week using a DIY scrub. 1 tablespoon coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Scrub your arms, legs, chest. Everywhere you want softness. This removes dead skin and gives your body that glowing, even tone. After exfoliating, always moisturize. Apply lotion or body oil right after showering while your skin is damp. This locks in moisture and keeps you smooth all day. Step 9. Glow up your feet and hands. Soft hands and feet equals instant glow. For your feet, soak in warm water with lemon and salt scrub with a pumice stone. Apply Vaseline and wear socks overnight. For your hands and nails, soak your nails in warm water with lemon and olive oil. Push cuticles gently. Use aloe vera plus glycerin mix as hand cream. No polish needed, just clean, soft, healthy hands. Step 10. Hair glow up. Health before style. Your hair completes the glow. Once a week, apply a DIY hair mask. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey. Optional, 1 egg yolk for protein. Leave it in for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse with cool water and shampoo as normal. And here's the secret. Rice water rinse. Soak uncooked rice in water overnight. Strain and pour over hair after shampoo. Let it sit 10 minutes before rinsing. It strengthens hair and boosts shine. Finish with a cold rinse to seal the cuticle. Also, massage your scalp for 5 minutes daily. It boosts circulation and promotes faster growth. Step 11. Smell fresh. All-day scent matters. After showering, apply unscented lotion first, then your perfume or body mist. Focus on pulse points, neck, wrists, behind ears. Pro tip: spray perfume on your hairbrush and brush your hair for long-lasting scent. DIY mist idea: rose water plus aloe vera plus a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Keep it in your bag and spray when needed. Step 12. Posture, confidence, and clothes. Confidence changes everything. First, stand posture. Stand tall. Shoulders back. Core slightly engaged. Head up. Even without makeup or new clothes, good posture makes you glow. Now, clothes. You don't need a new wardrobe. Just wear colors that suit your skin. Keep your clothes clean and wrinkle-free. Add a small accessory, even a simple necklace or cute bag. Confidence is about effort, not perfection. Step 13. Gua Sha and face massage. Natural lift. This is your glow-up secret weapon. Apply oil to your face. Then, use a gua sha tool or your hands gently glide from jaw to ear, cheek to temple, brow to hairline. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes a day. It drains puffiness, improves circulation, and lifts your features naturally. Step 14. Night routine. Lock in the glow. Before bed, follow this order. Cleanse tone, aloe, green tea, or real toner. Moisturize, or use night oil. Castor oil on lashes. Tie up or wrap your hair. Clean pillowcase, your skin repairs while you sleep. So this is when results really show. Final words, you're already that girl. You don't need to buy a whole new look. Just show love to what you already have. Daily, step by step. Do these things consistently, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. You'll see the difference. Not because you changed, but because you started taking care of yourself. This summer, you glow for you.